How to perform a factory reset of the Garmin Forerunner 965. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a full factory reset, removing all of your content from the Garmin Forerunner 965. So this is useful if your watch isn't working well, or if you're getting rid of it and you want to sell it and you want all your data removed from the watch. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to perform a factory reset, all we need to do is first hold the up button until the menu opens. Then hit the up button again until we get to System. Once you get to System, select the Start or Stop button to select System, and then we can hit the up button again until we get to Reset. Select Reset. Now that we're in Reset, we can go down all the way until we get to Delete Data and Reset Settings. Select that. And now all we need to do is select the check mark. Keep in mind, everything that is on the watch will be deleted and it'll be wiped just like it was new. So you have to set it up again. Select the check mark. It'll then reboot the Garmin Forerunner 965, and when it turns on, you'll need to set it up again, just like you did when you got it brand new. All right, so that's how you perform a factory reset of the Garmin Forerunner 965. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.